Welcome back. So let's fix our little problem we encountered last week, because this notch should not, the whole thing should be 1 over. So now we have to remove everything. Open up again. And somehow fix everything. Without destroying something. Alright, so good thing we already blocked everything and put everything in, and anyways, let's do this. So we got the ring off. That's good. This one we can set again, it's no problem. The literally, oops. This one, they can stay inside. They don't hurt anyone. This one we take out, so it's easier to get it back together. So now was this? Oh, they're behind. Oh, I have to like wiggle them out. That's okay. Without breaking them, hopefully. Okay, so that worked. Now, I believe this is just one plugged on. Whew, okay. I think we have to go like this, because we need to, no, we have to go like this, because we will have it like this, the locking mechanism. So this is correct. Now it's correct. Okay, so we fixed this part. Now let's try to set everything back as it was. I'll try only to okay, it was a little too deep maybe. Oh shoot. Let me recap. Okay, it was like this. And you put it on like this, right? Then we have this little notch like this. I'm just checking if everything is as it should. If it fits now. Looks not too bad, I believe. But now it's the other way around, I believe. No, it's correct. Boo. try that again. Take this one out. And let's try to build it like it should be built. So we are going way back, having this thingy, putting in them in here. I don't want to fuck it up again, to be honest. It'd be a cluster fuck up. Alright. And now the wheels come on. So we have it like this. So the wheels, this is the one goes on first. And like this. Then the second wheel, and the third wheel. And now we can push it in here. The correct orientation, please. Yes. Now we can block these again. Don't hammer him. Just stick it to him. I don't want to block again the complete. Okay. Good. Now we can set the combination. One. Okay, 1, 2, 3 on this side here, aligned to this line. This is the combination lock-in line. Let's put it this way. We can put in see. So now when we should be able to open. Let's go back, and if we want to open, we obviously need to set the correct code to this line. So it would be 1, and obviously 3. Put it in line and just should be able to put it out. Should be. Okay, something didn't add up. Ah, that's a crappy model, sorry. It's a little below, I believe it was. So that's the worst model yet. I can't pull it apart here, but we know that they have to be like this, right? So see what we did wrong. I'm stupid. I'm just stupid. Okay, I know what I did wrong. Did the wrong combination backwards. Because I am stupid, obviously. Overall, it's not the best model. I was expecting way more. So 1 is the first number, obviously. 2. And then 3. And now we should be open. Yes. Oh yeah, holy fuck. Alright, so this was a mechanical model. Probably could have been finished in about like 40 minutes, but it took me a little longer. Because some part I was stupid, some parts the model is not as good as I hoped. But, well, here we are. It is finished. I like the safe models much better. Thanks for watching, hope you still enjoyed it. See you next time, bye bye.